I think the theme this weekend, John, is cold.
Yeah, I think you
Not
nailed it.
chilly, cold.
Yeah, that's right, because we're also going to be putting a little minus sign in front of some of those numbers as we're going into the weekend. So yeah, that snow we saw from yesterday, at least initially, not going to be going anywhere anytime soon. So that's where we're going to start with your forecast as we go right there. Wind chills as we go into the weekend. Check out some of those numbers, looking mighty cold. We're talking about some negative double digits potentially as we're getting you out the door starting off your Saturday morning. Right there near Gaylord, negative 15 as we go into early Saturday morning. And even still, as we're running through the day on Saturday, this is getting you out the door even starting off your Sunday morning. Pretty much the same deal. So it is going to be a colder weekend with that fresh snowpack. Not a ton. That's a look at the snowfall estimates. It was about a general 1 to 4 inches for a good majority of us here into northern Michigan. And even still, like I mentioned, that colder air is going to keep that snowpack at least around for the next few days. Even still out there for the rest of the evening, past midnight tonight, our winds are going to go a little bit more northerly. So the lake effect snow is still going to be in play. Areas just southeast of Traverse City looks like a good bet for potentially a few more inches of snow. Areas closer to the immediate lake shore as we're getting past midnight and then again into our early Saturday morning. I think that's going to be the better placement. We do talk about any lingering snow showers. Farther inland, you could even be dry enough to where we talk about a few rays of sunshine in the mix. So that's going to be the contrast of two forecasts as we go later into the day tomorrow. Now, notice as we get into the day on Sunday, winds start to take a little bit more of a southerly jog. So you still do have a few of these lake effect snow showers pretty much hanging out right over the lake. And if they get sucked in pretty much areas a little bit farther north near the straits, eastern upper by the time we're getting into the day on Sunday, I think that's really going to be the only chance we're talking about for any lingering snow Sunday. Overall, Sunday does look to be a drier day across northern Michigan. So if you're going to be doing some traveling this weekend, it will be cold, but at least the roadways should be in better shape. Now the snowfall trends just downwind again of Lake Michigan. Right there we do see some of those darker blues just to the north of Cadillac. Same deal in Duluth County. You still could talk about a few more inches from any lingering lake effect snow that we see tonight. Then again, getting into the day on Saturday. Charlevoix, it's cold out there right now, 27 degrees. Everett, you're coming in right now at 25 degrees. North-northeast winds keep us at about 5 miles per hour. Check out the wind closer to the lake shore. Manistee, 28, but the wind is kicking at about 23 miles per hour. So a little bit windy closer to the lake shore, and even still, check out these numbers. These are just air temperatures as we're going past midnight tonight. Several of us near, if not below zero, as we go into western lower. There's a look at those numbers. Single digits for some. Kalkaska, 9 degrees. Gaylord to Grayling, 6 degrees. Just a little bit warmer near the lake shore, but it's still going to be very, very cold tonight. Eastern lower, 11 degrees into Alpena. Miles, 7 degrees. Again, a lot of areas with the wind still trending near, if not below zero. Teens, as we take you right there into central lower. 13 into Clare. White Cloud back near 15 as we start off your Saturday morning. And the numbers as we go into the day tomorrow. Again, these are high temperatures. Some of us not even getting out of the teens tomorrow. North winds, still a lake effect snow shower closer to the immediate lake shore, not out of the question. That's a sneak peek right there at your weekend. Northerly winds into Saturday, more of a southerly breeze as we get into the day on Sunday. Let's talk about the next 7 days. The bitterly cold, at least it's not hanging out all too long. We do warm back up. Another clipper system. We'll be watching that for you on Monday. Potentially a little bit more snow there, but traveling Christmas Eve into Christmas. Overall, at this point, looking a little bit drier, possibly a little bit of spotty rain and drizzle as we go into Boxing Day by late next week. David and Katie, back to you.